What's good, Kings? If you're watching this YouTube video, you're already past beginner status. You've got waves, but now you're chasing perfect 360 waves, the kind that spin clean, connect smoothly, and turn heads. This video is for black men who want elite results and real hair tips that separate average waves from flawless ones. The biggest difference between decent waves and elite waves isn't the brush, the cut, or even wolfing. It's brush angles. Every section of your head requires a specific angle, and if you're brushing randomly, you're holding your own progress back. The secret to how to get waves that connect all around is consistency. Same angles, every session, starting from the crown. Think of your crown as the center of a compass. North, south, east, west, and every diagonal in between. Master these 8 angles, and your pattern will tighten, forks will disappear, and your waves will look cleaner, deeper, and more attractive. Let's lock in. We're starting at the top. Always start brushing from the crown. That's the foundation of hair wave training. For the north angle, brush straight from the crown toward the front hairline. Your stroke should go directly down, landing in the center of your hairline. No drifting left or right. This angle controls how clean your front waveline looks and plays a huge role in how to be attractive with waves. This is especially important after a fresh cut because the front shows flaws first. Keep your brush firm but smooth. This is a core 360 waves brushing technique. Now angle slightly to the right, halfway between north and east. From the crown, brush diagonally toward the front right corner of your hairline. This angle is critical for connection. If your waves break or fork near the temple, it's usually because this angle is ignored or brushed inconsistently. Take your time here, especially during wolfing 360 waves, when hair is longer and harder to control. From the crown, brush straight out to the right side hairline. Your strokes should stay parallel to the hairline near the temple. This is where having a quality tool like the Ocean View medium hard brush matters. You need that pull to move the hair, but the flexibility to not hurt your scalp. Medium or medium hard brushes usually work best here during advanced stages. This angle builds depth and flow on the right side and is essential for advanced 360 waves. Now angle down toward the ear on the right side. From the crown, brush diagonally toward the lower right side of your head. This area is a weak spot for many wavers. If your waves don't connect between the side and back, this is why. Use controlled, deliberate strokes. This angle helps blend your taper area and improves overall 360 waves maintenance. Straight back from the crown to the nape. This is one of the hardest angles to master because you can't easily see it. The back is where forks love to hide. Use a mirror or selfie camera to make sure your strokes are straight. Don't rush. This angle determines whether your back waves look elite or sloppy. Strong brushing here is key during long wolfing phases. Mirror what you did on the right side. From the crown, brush diagonally toward the lower left ear area. Symmetry matters. If one side looks better than the other, it's usually a brushing discipline issue, not genetics. This angle completes the lower connection and keeps your wave swirl balanced. Whether you're building a beehive crown 360 waves pattern or experimenting with swirl versus beehive 360 waves. From the crown, brush straight out to the left side hairline. Same technique as the east angle. Parallel strokes, steady pressure. This angle defines how clean your left side looks on camera, especially in a viral video or photos. Consistency here improves density and keeps your wave flow uniform across your head. Finally, angle diagonally from the crown toward the front left corner of your hairline. This angle ties everything together. It blends your front, side, and top waves into one seamless pattern. Ignore this angle, and your front corners will always look off, no matter how good the rest of your waves are. Why these 8 angles matter. These 8 brush angles: north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest must be done every single session, always starting at the crown. This is how you truly learn how to brush 360 waves the right way. These angles train your hair to lay naturally and consistently. eliminating forks and creating that smooth, spinning pattern that defines elite 360 waves. Here are some next level hair advanced tips for perfect 360 waves. Always use a mirror or phone camera to check your angles. Never brush dry. I always hit it with a dime-sized amount of Ocean View pomade or natural oil first. It gives you that shine and hold while you train your angles. Brush at least 10 minutes per session, 2 to 3 times a day. Never switch angles mid-session. Keep your durag tied snug overnight. Match your brush hardness to your wolfing stage. This is real. 360 waves maintenance, not shortcuts. Now it's your turn. Try these 8 brush angles in your very next session and check your pattern in the mirror or camera. You'll see the difference immediately. Drop a comment letting me know how your waves are coming in, especially if you're working on your crown or debating swirl versus beehive 360 waves. Hit that like button, subscribe for more advanced wave content, and stay locked in, because mastering your waves is mastering your image.